Hello, friends. Back to back, this is going to be a motivational series. I'm trying to make such. All of a sudden, I've got some inspiration. Whether I implement this in life or not, I want to share this with people. The things is the next one would be very recently I have done a 7S inspirational video. You can watch that also. I will pin it up, I will put it in the end screen. Yes, you can watch it. And the next one would be today. Now in this video I'm going to talk about some inspirational things which you can take from Alice in Wonderland. So this was also from where I got is I heard Parveen Sultana ma'am's talk also, speech also. So recently I got an opportunity and I had an opportunity to visit and I heard her speech also. So what she said is from her speech, yes, everything was nice from her speech and she was also very inspirational. But one thing which I got very well and I understood well was about something which inspired me more and something which interested me more was because she spoke about Alice in Wonderland. So I am a fairy tale addict, and so obviously that gave me more interest in that old speech, and so something which always clinches in my mind. So something like that it became. What she told was Alice in Wonderland. So you people would have watched that movie. If not, you can even also watch. There are cartoon series are there, movies there, and a story book you can read. So it's a very normal story which kids used to read. So such a very old and ancient fairy tale it is. From that, what she said is before that, what Einstein has said about Alice in Wonderland is whoever watches this, if you understand the movie well, anybody could understand physics well. That's what he has said, it seems, long before. So what she said was, I watched the movie, I didn't understand about physics and all, and this is what she also said, the same thing. She didn't understand about physics at all and all, but what she understood was, she is a literature person it seems. What she understood was like this, there is a scene where the white princess in that series will ask a heroine to run, so Alice to run, come let's run, like that she will say, and they both will start running. So while running on the long run, without asking a word why to run, Alice will run with her. On the long run, she will ask her all of a sudden, without stopping, halting, she will ask, Alice will ask the white queen, why did you ask me to run and where are we going? You just asked me to run, like that she will ask. For that the white queen will say, to own the space which you stand, you have to run. Because in that series what happens is the land will be getting dumped up, or what to say, the land will be getting self-destructed from behind. So if they stand there, they will get into the earth, so what to say, into the ground or something. So to protect themselves or to save themselves, they have to run. So you would have seen these, in cartoon. So like that. So what she took is, life is like that. In life, to protect or to save yourself or carry yourself, at least to live a life, we have to run. We can't be stable in one place, then we cannot live. That's what she felt. It's not that we are working hard, we are doing something, we are doing we are achieving something. It's not just like that. Just to hold a position, you have to run. That's it. You can't be standing somewhere stagnantly. So life is move on. That's what she took. And yes, that's also so true and very nice to hear. So that was good. Um, what I felt watching the movie was, wow, I want to be the princess. That's what, only that much my little mind thought or understood watching the movie. Nothing else wasn't got up in my mind, inspirational or motivational like this. Then, our recently demised Ananda Kannan. You all know 90s kids' favorite Sun Music VJ. So, if this video is watched by people other than Tamil people, other than Tamil Nadu people or Tamil speaking people, obviously knowing this would be hard. These people are famous in Tamil Nadu for their literature, their motivational speeches and their debates. Parveen Sultana madam is famous for that, and Ananda Kannan was a VJ in one of our music channel. So, and he was very famous in the 90s when we grew up during our school and college days. Especially during our school days, he was in the top and he was the most sought out VJ at that time. So now recently he died because of bile duct cancer something. So it is a rare disease, and obviously it's something really hard and very much feeling and sad news to hear. And he's such a very sweet person. I don't know why this 2020 is taking up, I mean 2020 and 2021 is taking up all very nice people. Most of them, their demise is at a very short age, and it also makes us feel, why did this happen to this person and why did this happen at this age to this person. So that's what is happening even for celebrities. That's how this year is. And what after his demise, I watched in one of Tamil channels, YouTube channels, one of the Tamil famous YouTube channel. They played some inspirational talks by him. In that, what I heard is, once again I heard about this, he was also talking about Alice in Wonderland. What he said is, there is a rabbit in that movie. So I think rabbit only he said. That rabbit, Alice will ask to that rabbit, where am I, or what should I do in my life, in which way should I go to proceed in my, I mean not in the life, in that because she will get into a jungle like that. Actually, I really forgot the story. I don't remember the story exactly. So I could only correlate. So it's like she gets into a burrow and she gets into a different world like Narnia. So in that world, she will be asking which is the way, which is the road I should take up or path I should take up. Like that, she will ask to the rabbit, and what the rabbit says is, do you have any plan? Do you have any ambition, or do you have any destination to be reached? For that she says, no, I don't have anything. Then why do you worry? Whichever direction you take, that would be your destination. Unless and until you don't have any destination, don't bother about your path, or don't bother about your destiny. Just go on with life. So this what he felt is, in life we should have some ambition, and only then we can have a path like that. He took something that way, he said. And what I felt is, yeah, this also means life should go on. So if you have any destination, or if you have any ambition and plans, go according to it. And those who doesn't have any ambition, or those who doesn't have any plans in life, don't worry, just go with the flow. And yes, I would call myself as such an example, but I didn't achieve anything. I'm just telling you, I'm also like that only. I didn't have any plans, I didn't have any ambition. Most of the days, even now, I don't have any ambition, I don't have any plans. Even this YouTube, I'm just doing for fun, for just to fill my time and just for entertainment, or if I feel like doing, I do. That's it. So I don't have any big plans, or don't have any ambition, I don't have any targets to achieve. That's how I am. I'm also thinking no, I whatever I introspect or retrospect, I'm not getting anything, any ambition or any plans to proceed in my life. That's how I am, right from my college days. I don't know why. So for people like me, yes, don't worry, just go with the flow. That's what I'm also doing with my life, and most of the time it's good. Sometimes, yes, I feel demotivated. People look up on me as a loser, as a failure. And that's also is there. So, but for me, yes, I'm happy as I am, and yes, when I'm looked upon like a loser, so I do feel bad. But what to do? I don't have any plans or ambition. Yes, I have to make some, in the sense I'm not getting any idea like that, or I'm not interested that way. I just want to be happy, and I just want to go with the flow. Go with the flow in the sense, when there is no such plans in my mind, what should I do? I can't be straining my brain much, so I'm just going, doing whatever I like. So people like me can take this way. If you are able to take you into a path and have some motivation and ambition, is plan up and do that. If you are like me, you couldn't do anything, in the sense you couldn't plan anything for yourself, just go with the flow, but keep going. That's what. Anyhow, life doesn't allow us to be stagnant in one place. Obviously, life goes on. So should we to be within ourselves, in our mind, in our heart. That's what. So when I heard this, I thought of sharing this with people, so that I don't know, it was continuously I was hearing about Alice in Wonderland. I just felt like making some inspirational video to people. So if you are feeling inspired, or if you are feeling somehow motivated, or getting some, whatever you feel, comment it up, so that I can also understand and change, or do accordingly. Just, it's not like I'm a preacher, I'm going to advise, nothing. I just felt like making a video, I'm making it. If suppose you are motivated, good, high five to you. And that's it. Keep sharing this video if you feel motivated, and do subscribe to us, and do comment your opinions, and do watch many of my videos. Bye.